In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a template table to automate new records in Airtable. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the right starting point so you can move faster without rebuilding everything from scratch. First, open your browser and head to the Airtable homepage. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your workspace. If not, just go to the site and sign in so you can add a template directly to your account. From the left-hand sidebar, look for templates and apps. This is Airtable's gallery of ready-made bases, and it's the quickest path to a setup that already includes the fields, views, and, in many cases, the framework you need to automate new records from a template table. Once you're in the gallery, you can use the search bar at the top to jump straight to what you need. Try broad keywords that match your workflow, like project tracker, content calendar, or product roadmap. If you're not sure what to search for, browsing is just as effective and can spark ideas you might not have considered. Use the Browse by Category options to narrow your results. Start with project management if your goal is to track tasks, sprints, or deliverables. This category often includes bases that are structured around repeatable processes, which is perfect for template-based automation. If your work centers on campaigns, assets, or editorial plans, switch to marketing. These bases frequently include content templates and status flows that make cloning new items straightforward. For design workflows, roadmaps, or research libraries, choose Product and Design. You'll find templates that emphasize repeatable briefs and requests, ideal for generating consistent new records over time. When you see something promising, click the template to open its details page. Take a minute to read the overview and look for what's included, the list of tables, example records, and any notes on how the template is meant to be used. Many templates point out a template or resources table designed to standardize new entries. That's exactly what you want if your aim is to automate new records with the same structure each time. If it looks like a fit, click. Try this template. Airtable will add a copy to your workspace so you can explore and make it your own. You'll see pre-built tables, views, and sample data that demonstrate the intended flow. From here, you can review how the template handles repeatable items and adapt naming, fields, and views to your team's language. That's it. Go to Airtable, open templates and apps, search or browse categories, pick the best match, and try the template. You're set with a solid foundation for automating consistent, repeatable records.